Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the start of my move-in vlog for 2018-2019 school year. I didn't do one of these last year, but I did one of these my freshman year.
I didn't find any appointments about school on January 1st, 2000.
What the? I really regret not doing it last year. It was so hectic and I don't know. I just didn't have enough footage to make one. So I'm going to be doing one today because I want to. So today's actually the day before I move in. I move on Saturday at 1 o'clock. Yeah, so I hope you guys are ready for an eventful move-in vlog. So we've packed the car and we've done pretty well this year, unlike the other years. You think we did pretty well, Mom? Yep.
In the hotel waiting to move Hadley into her new residence. We're getting ready, we're going to go eat breakfast. We're looking at spiders on the windows and also watching it pour with rain. It's just like England.
There's something so creepy about spiders.
Hi, Hadley. You're moving in today. We're gonna miss you. Not.
We're recording. We have a small box this year. Here are the parents.
Yeah, it's right there. She can see it.
Lane Simmons, do not get used to
Oh, and you can see the sky over there. Wait, make you guys look. You can see the guy over there laying on his bed. This is like, woo! There, is that like student housing?
No, that's just apartment.
And you guys have a real mattress too. It's not a plastic hospital mattress.
So this is the before of the room.
Here, get
My
this.
mom's cleaning because, you know. So we kind of moved everything around. Put that over there. The bed. This. And Marco. It's in the closet. This is a smaller closet than last year.
Something's missing. Oh, beluga's there. To the right a little bit more. Does that look good?
Yeah.
But make sure it's straight. Go up slightly. Up slightly because there's a little hole. See that little hole there? Like down a little, down. How many people does it take to hang a picture?
That's good.
Dad, you're in the way. She's videoing.
Okay, there.
The leather they make these out of.
Alright, Marco, does this look good?
Yeah.
Does it look level?
No. What's the...
What are you doing?
They're all talking to you. You can go online and play.
It's like freaking out on the camera.
Forget.
Hadley, do not forget, okay? Buy new underwear.
That's not funny! Hey guys, so it's the next day and I didn't end the video yesterday because my parents were leaving and I was just saying goodbye and we went grocery shopping. But I think that is going to be it for this video. I don't want to show you too much of my room, so I'm going to do a dorm tour so you guys can see it then. But really all today I'm just going to be decorating. I have this really blank wall right here and then I have a grid wall and a pin board that I have to decorate and put some lights up. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Get back to the house.